everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, and today we got a crazy experiment that I'm going to work on. It's the Oobleck experiment, and you don't know what that is. It's basically based off the book from Dr. Seuss, but what you do is actually create a mixture of cornstarch and water, and it turns into this goo-like substance where when you hit it, it gets hard, but when you do it softly, it'll, I'll show you what I mean when I demonstrate it. So, of course, what we got here is some cornstarch and some cold water. So, with that in mind, let's get started. I don't have any green coloring with me since it's based out of the Oobleck book, but yeah. So, yep. Let's take this out. Now, it depends on how much water and cornstarch is mixed in there, so it's kind of a tricky one. So, yeah, it might be a little bit hard to see it. But I'm going to try my best to make it a perfect mixture. Doing this outside to prevent any messiness around here. Alright, just gotta... I'm going to fast forward this so that way you can see I'm demonstrating this. Alright, I had to cut the camera real quick to finish up the mixture, but look at this. It looks perfect. You can see here it's very thick and gooey, much like a either a slime, which I used to call it as a kid, or as they would say it, Oobleck. Now, watch carefully. As I hit this really hard like this, it's very thick enough to penetrate it, but if I go down slowly, it'll be enough to let my fingers come in, and if I let my fingers out softly, it can get unstuck. But if I do it too fast like this, it's pretty thick, and one of the things is it's kind of hard to scoop some out despite being how gooey it is. Yeah. And once you scoop it out, look, I'm not doing anything. The Oobleck is melting from its mold as the body heat of my hand is, well, melting it. Pretty cool, huh? And there's some other features that I can do, like, for example, if you scoop up some more like this, it'll get all bricky like this, and it might be enough to form a ball. But, like I said, it'll melt through our body heats, kind of like that. Ew, that's pretty gross, huh? It's pretty gnarly. That's the best part about this video. Wow. Ugh. Ew. Okay, would you excuse me? I'll be right back. Ugh. Alright, before I end up right here, there is one feature I did want to show off in the video, and that's when you put in a tinfoil or something clear around the speakers, the sound parts of it, and you pour in the Oobleck and you turn on the music and turns like to this dancing liquid. I think that's a pretty cool feature. However, I don't have a speaker with me, but yeah, a real nice way to show off the experiment of these cornstarch and water, or the Oobleck experiment, but a pretty cool one, huh? Been waiting to do this one for a while now, but never got the chance to until right now. So yeah, like I said, really nice experiment I did, and what do you guys think? Should I do some more experiment videos like this? If you do, then comment down below. Not any requests per se, because I don't really like to take requests that often, but if you want me to do more, then make sure you subscribe for some more awesome content real soon, and I'll see you next time, everybody. Bye.
It's me, BDH, but I'm also known as the Brick Dragon Hero. That video was great, huh, Oobleck? You said it, BBJ. And if you want to see more of the Brick Dragon Hero videos, all you gotta do is subscribe. Follow Brick Dragon Hero on Instagram. Like for this video. Share this with your friends.
And comment down below what you think of that video.
And don't forget to check out the last video. So thanks for watching and have a brick day. Whoosh.